Rinpoche doesn't teach Yamantaka. Rinpoche doesn't teach Vajrayogini. He doesn't know much about that anyways. Even if he knew much, he wouldn't teach much to you guys because you know what? There's not much to teach. Look at you. Look in the mirror. Ask yourself, do I deserve Yamantaka? Like Snow White's wicked grandmother. Who's the fairest of them all? Not you, sister. What? She gave the apple, right? To Snow White. So you ask, am I the most qualified to receive Yamantaka? No, you're not. Punch the mirror. Don't punch me. If the mirror tells you you're qualified, you're lying. And the mirror's lying. Lying. Some of us attend Kala Chakra with Dalai Lama. The Dalai Lama's my guru. Since the Dalai Lama is the best Lama in the world, I'm very good because I'm his disciple. See? I'm goody because I'm Dalai Lama group. The Dalai Lama is great, but you're ashamed. And what did you get from the Dalai Lama? I got the Kala Chakra. Nah. Oh dear. Do you do the sadhana? No. Do you do the mantra? What's that? Do you know the vows? Never heard. So what do you do after you receive the Kala Chakra? I eat, sleep, have sex with my wife and husband, and I make kids, and I make money, and I hate myself. Oh. So after you receive the Kala Chakra, you hate yourself? Yes. And you're depressed? Yes. And you have enemies? Yes. You show blackface to people that are ugly to you? Yes. Have you changed your habits? You talk less? No. So you receive Kala Chakra? Yes. So are you holy? Yes. And like, huh? That's really interesting. Can you imagine all these people running around? I'm Dalai Lama student. I'm Dalai Lama. Do you believe in the Dalai Lama? If you say no, that's it. They come and kill you. And if you say yes, oh, good, we're friends. Then you talk to them. They know nothing about the Dalai Lama. They know nothing about practice. They don't even do practice. They're lazy. They're lazy, sitting at home saying, I'm not happy. 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 All day long, I'm not happy. And they make everybody around them not happy. And if you tell them they're happy, no, I'm not. And then I'm depressed. But I'm Dalai Lama student and I believe in Buddha. Oh dear. I think I'll be a Hindu. You just listen to the words people say. They're so stupid. They come up to me and I listen to all this. I look at them going, I think just wait till I have a Dharma teaching. I'm not going to forget. I love it. I have this incredible evil memory for emotional disturbances. That's right. So if you're a Dalai Lama student, you gotta be very high quality. If you attend his teachings, you better be very high quality. And if you believe in the Dalai Lama, which we all do, you better be very high quality. You better be very kind. You better be very loving. And you better stop feeling sorry for yourself. Otherwise, don't tell people you're a Dalai Lama student. Shame. Dalai Lama student got like that on. Just look at you guys. You go to another country as a group, tell, oh, we're from Malaysia. They say, we're not going there, thank you. Take a look. Just take a good look at yourself. Then it's the same as telling people you're a Buddhist or you belong to the Buddha. It's the same thing. It's the exact same thing if you tell people that you belong to the Buddha. If you belong to the Buddha, if you're spiritual, if you're a Christian, if you belong to Hinduism or Catholicism, you better reflect it. Don't shame them. If you belong to Tsem Rinpoche, please don't embarrass me anymore. No, really, don't embarrass me anymore. Don't keep telling me you broke your vows. You can't push yourself. You can't do any more. Don't embarrass me anymore. It's an embarrassment. 6 years, 2 years, 3 years, 1 year, 5 years, 7 years of Dharma. You still tell me you can't hold one single vow. Please. Am I wasting my time? Don't run around telling people, Dalai Lama is my guru. Don't. Because why? They look at you, they go, uh-oh. People look at people's kids to see their parents. They'll look at disciples, they'll look at the guru.